Which one should you buy between face fat foaming cleanser and CeraVe foaming cleanser? You need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be helping you choose which one you should get between face fat foaming cleanser and the CeraVe foaming cleanser. That sounds like what you're here for. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a huge thumbs up. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is the packaging. These two products, the face fat foaming cleanser and the CeraVe foaming cleanser, they have very similar packaging. As you can see, only a little difference. So now we are going to look at the brand claims. First off, let's look at the CeraVe foaming cleanser. The CeraVe foaming cleanser claims to be for normal to oily skin, and it also claims to have 3 essential ceramide plus niacinamide plus hyaluronic acid. While face fat claims to be for dry sensitive skin and also contains 5 ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So as you can see, they both have very similar key ingredients. This one contains 3 essential ceramides and this one contains 5 ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So they have almost the same key ingredient. Face fat is claiming to deeply cleanses dry sensitive skin and also help strengthen your protective moisture barrier. And CeraVe says it cleanses and removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier of the face and body. So they are almost claiming the same thing. Now let's look at the ingredient list. Looking at the ingredient list, they also have very similar ingredient list, apart from some little difference in the fact that this one contains SLS and this one contains sodium lauryl isocyanate. So when we look at the function of SLS and all of the side effects and everything, SLS is a little bit harsh on your skin compared to sodium lauryl isocyanate. So some people's skin might not be able to tolerate SLS, so that is something to take note of. But then most people's skin can tolerate SLS, so it is nothing to worry about. They both contain niacinamide hyaluronic acid. So this one contains tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and this one contains cholesterol. So looking at the ingredient list without wasting much of our time, they are very similar apart from the little difference. CeraVe contains more ingredients compared to face fats, but face fats does contain most of the essential ingredients that you need, which are the key ingredients, which are the 5 ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which is something to look out for. Comparing these two products based on price points, face fat is currently retailing for 8,500 naira, while this is currently retailing for 13,000 naira. That is something to take note of. Based on price points, this is more affordable compared to this. Now when we are looking at the sizes, this one is a 236 ml packaging, while this is a 400 ml. So looking at the sizes, this one is actually bigger and affordable. This one is a little bit smaller in size. Now we are going to look at the consistency. They are both foaming cleanser and they have very similar consistency. Let me just show you guys. So this is what the face fat foaming cleanser looks like. This is what the CeraVe foaming cleanser looks like. So they have very similar texture and they both lather well. But then I noticed that the CeraVe one lathers much more faster than the face fat foaming cleanser. So the face fat requires like 2 to 3 pumps, while the CeraVe it's okay with 1 or 2 pumps and it ladders. So I feel like this one ladders a bit better than the face fat foaming cleanser. When it comes to skin types, the CeraVe foaming cleanser is targeted towards normal to oily skin, while the face fat is targeted towards dry sensitive skin. But it's also stated there that it can be used for all skin types. So as an oily skin girly, combination skin girl, you can still use this skin type and you can still use this cleanser, while this is also suitable to normal to oily skin. I think all skin types can also benefit from it. So now if you are comparing on brand value, CeraVe is quite popular and face fat is just an upcoming skincare brand. Although they are now coming up as an affordable skincare. So a lot of people now are leaning towards them, which I'm a fan of any brands that provide adequate skincare solution and is also affordable. Not to say that CeraVe is not affordable, because affordability is relative, but then this one is definitely more affordable than CeraVe. So when it comes to choosing which one you should buy, I think it's basically based on personal preference. If you are a fan of CeraVe, I'm sure you are going to lean towards buying CeraVe. And if you are somebody that does not care what the brand is, you just want to use something that works, you might lean towards Face Fat Foaming Cleanser. My personal review, I haven't used this long enough to review it yet, so I hope that I'll be able to review it in my upcoming videos so that I can tell you exactly what this did to my skin. But then I have tried this, and when I want to rate this, I think this is a solid 6 or 6.5 over 10. It didn't really do much for me, but I didn't expect anything. But it wasn't hydrating as well. It was just there when I used it, so I don't know yet. So I'm going to try this out and give you guys a review. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share with your loved ones and anyone that you know that wants to get a new cleanser. Send them this video and you'll be doing me a huge favor. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next. Bye.